Hi Curtis, I have a Westwood S1300. Wont start. I presumed the battery was flat, charged it overnight, still wouldn't start. Tried to jump start it. Then took battery out of car, connected negative to engine block, positive to positive on the starter motor. It turned over very quickly, so not wrong with starter motor. Did the same with Westwood battery, same thing, turned over just as fast. In both cases I didn't keep it going, just a few seconds. Then put pause jump lead at the other end of the red wire, i.e. onto the nut securing the red wire to the solenoid, turned over the same, so not wrong with the wire. Next onto the other nut on the solenoid which fastens the red pause lead to the battery. Back to where we started, just a loud click which I presume is the solenoid. I've taken the fuel tank off to look up under the dashboard, nothing apparently off or loose. Then I took the metal panel which the solenoid is bolted to off. It also carries the fuse box, 4 fuses 1 amp 10 amp and 2 by 20 amp, all okay. I checked the underseat cutout switch, it's fine. I'm mostly okay with jobs like taking a carb to bits etc., but I'm lost electrically. Also the headlights won't switch on. Not bothered but it shows Summit is wrong. About 2 years ago there was suddenly no power. I got at the ignition switch and found that the unit under the dash had vibrated off. It's, I think 4/5 spade connectors in a black plastic box. I cleaned them up and went to great lengths to lash the box to the switch with thin plastic-coated green plant wire. It's still perfectly in place. I also did the same with the light switch and the deck drive switch. So vibration and gravity have not caused this time. Any suggestions will be gratefully received. Best regards Bob Swift P. S. Hey Curtis, I live on the Wirral. If luck is on my side you'll reply so do I. I'll see you tomorrow. If you've any ideas please send me a phone number. Mine is or 0151 ###.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines, let me try to help you. The starter relay/solenoid has a switch wire on it. Jump from the positive post, where the battery cable is, direct to the small switch wire. They are almost together, less than 2 inches from each other. If the solenoid just clicks, you need a new solenoid. The solenoid has to make the started battery connection with its internal contacts.
Hi Curtis, thanks for the prompt reply. It's 2330 here, pitch black outside. From memory I can't picture the small switch wire. I'll have a go tomorrow. The box above this says I've 10 minutes of your time left. Does this mean I can ask you for more help tomorrow if I can't work it out?
We are not on a timer with the QA, we can take as long as needed. The starter relay/solenoid will have battery cable and starter cable to the starter on the 2 big terminals, then there will be a small switch terminal, that is what powers the solenoid when you turn the key. It clicks now, I think you will find the solenoid bad. I look forward from hearing from you tomorrow. Thanks.
Thanks Curtis, I'll have a go at it tomorrow. Question, where on earth are you, USA? RGDS Bob.
Texas, USA. 7 p.m.
Okay. Well that means you're unlikely to call here tomorrow with a bag of spanners. I'd better shape up. Night Curtis, RGDS Bob.
Yes, I will not be there.
Hello Curtis, thanks, I reckon we're sorted. Not fully, but on the way. It's Sunday and nowhere to just show up and buy a new solenoid. So, I took it apart. Or rather drilled the rivets off the back plate. It all looked perfect, no rust to scrape off, etc., so I sprayed W.D.40 in to displace any damp, then bolted it together. Back on the mower, nothing. I found I can get one on eBay, it's a Trombetta number 211. Looks like about 12 pounds with postage. We'll order one later. Decided to see if it will run without the solenoid, having jump-started cars over the years and then removed the battery and the engine keeps running. So, as you advised, I bridged the gap with insulated pliers from pass to pass. It started immediately and kept running. While waiting, I squirted WD-40 into the ignition switch, lights, and deck belt drive switch. Amazing. The lights came on, the belt drive engaged. So engine off. Tried it with the key and IT started. Rushed inside, boasted to my girlfriend, poured us a nice gin and tonic, happy days. The shame is it only worked the once. So it's not worth going through the summer with it refusing to work on the one dry day I've got to do the lawn. I think the dashboard design, sloping upwards with the switches on, is thoughtless. It's not a car, it's a lawnmower. They should be under a flap or a ledge to keep the rain off. So Curtis, you're a star, thank you. My girlfriend insists that I tell you her favorite program is Dallas. It's a real shame you don't live near us, you could have fixed this problem yesterday. Also, I'll be asking for Curtis B if I have any more problems, thanks Bob. S. If you are ever over here on holiday, phone us up, I owe you a beer. We live 15 miles from Liverpool.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.